Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. We have learnt a part of this dua. Now we'll take the remaining part. La ilaha illallahu wahdahu la sharika lah. There is no God except Allah, He is alone and there is no partner to Him. So we know all of these words. La ilaha, there is no God. Illallah, except Allah. Wahdahu, He is alone. He is from Wahid Ahad. Okay. Wahdahu, He is alone. La means no. Sharik is partner. Sharik means partner. La sharika lahu, no partner for Him. Okay. So here, Tawheed is described in three ways. La ilaha illallah, wahdahu, la sharika lahu. Allah is one and unique in His entity, attributes, rights and powers. And also remember, ilah has three different meanings. The one who is worshipped, the one who fulfills our needs, and the one who is obeyed. In all these senses, there is no ilah except Allah. I worship Allah only and try to obey Him alone and not my desires. I fear Him alone and simultaneously hope to receive His mercy. I trust Him only and I love Him more than anyone else, and so on. Lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu wa huwa ala kulli shayin qadir. Lahul mulku. Okay. Lahu, for Him. Al mulku, the kingdom. Just we have learned just a while ago. Asbah al mulku lillah. So lahul mulku, for Him is the kingdom. Walahu, and for Him, alhamdu, all praises and thanks. Lahul mulku walahul hamdu wa huwa ala kulli shayin qadir. Wa huwa, and He is ala means on, kulli means every. Shay, kulli means every, and shay means thing. Kulli shay, everything. Ala kulli shay, over everything. Qadir. Qadir means all powerful. Qadir, all powerful. The sentences are arranged in the reverse order here. Instead of saying al mulku lahu, the kingdom is for Him, we are saying lahul mulku, for Him is the kingdom. Similarly, alhamdu lahu, we are saying walahul hamdu, for Him is all the praises and thanks. This style is used here to emphasize that He alone has these attributes. Sovereignty, lahul mulku, belongs to Allah only. Sovereignty belongs to Allah only. He is the master of the earth, heavens, sun, moon, and billions of creations, including human beings. Walahul hamdu, He is the real king. His kingdom is perfect and full of mercy, compassion, excellence, love and beauty. He is the best giver and His treasures have no limits. He is worthy of all the praise and gratitude. Wa huwa ala kulli shayin qadir. He is not only the owner of everything but has control over everything. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.